just going to have a quick look at what we should be able to draw a graph and how to reset the graph window. Now I've actually just reset the calculator and I'm going to go straight into the graph window, which is F5, and I'm going to graph both of these one at a time on separate graphs. So the first one is a quadratic. So we type it in, make sure you've got the y equals here, minus 6x plus 2. And let's just go ahead and graph it and see what happens by doing the F6. Now, we know that with a quadratic we want to see the bottom part of this shape, so it goes down a lot further. So I want to be able to do the window up into the V window, and I'm quite happy with those values at the moment. Actually, maybe I just make it from minus 6 up to about 8. Now it's the Y minimum that I want to go down a bit further, so I'm going to start off by going down to minus 12, and let's go up as far as 5, and then exit and redraw it. Almost perfect. Now, I'm going to show you in a later video things that we can find out from that, but let's just leave that for the time being, and let's now say the next question needs the next graph doing. So let's delete the first graph and let's type in the second graph. 2 cos brackets 3x plus 1. Now I've just reset my calculator. It means it's gone into degree mode, and this wants to be in radians. So I could draw it, and I know it's going to be wrong. I need to think now. My x goes from 0 to 2 pi. So let's go back and exit, and what we should have done is we can go straight to the window from here. So straight away I need to go from 0 to 2, and then the pi button is there. Now with the scale it's not really that important, but if we just change that scale to pi, then it will draw a little dot the pi. Having already drawn it, I can see that I want to see a bit more of that, so I want to go maybe from minus 3 and exit, and we can draw. So I've just drawn two different graphs very quickly and changed the window, and you should be able to do that very simply.